sky so wide and free. Berwood calls for you and me. Nature whispers vows so true. In its arms I promise you. Breathtaking dreams in open air. Love will blossom everywhere. Expansive views, a vow to make. On Berwood's ground, our hearts will wait. Golden fields and sunsets bright. Every backdrop feels just right. A tender breeze of how it holds, where love's story softly unfolds. Breathtaking dreams in open air. Love will blossom everywhere. Expansive views, a vow to make. On Berwood's ground, our hearts will wait. Through the trees, the moment's sight. Every step, a reason why. Nature stands to bless the day as we find our forever way. Underneath the starlit glow, Berwood's magic starts to show. In this space our love will stay, a timeless bond, come what may.